Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
BalanceFrom GoYoga 7-piece set include yoga mat with carrying strap, 2 yoga blocks, yoga mat towel, yoga hand towel, yoga strap and yoga knee pad. Gray, a half. BalanceFrom GoYoga Series 7-piece set includes 1 yoga mat with carrying strap, 2 yoga blocks, 1 yoga mat towel, 1 yoga hand towel, 1 stretch strap, 1 yoga knee pad. 2 styles to choose from: set with a half thick mat and set with 1/4 thick mat. The half thick mat dimension, 71 long 24 wide. 1/4 thick mat dimension, 68 long 24 wide. With double-sided non-slip surfaces, both mats come with an excellent slip-resistant advantage to prevent injuries. Moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. Our 72x24 and 24x15 yoga towels are made of 100% microfiber and feature prime absorption to provide slip-resistant and sweat-free workouts. 100% machine washable. Other accessories: 1x yoga knee pad at 24x10 with 5/8, 15 mm thick for perfect cushion. 2x yoga blocks at 9x6x4 and 1x yoga strap to make you a complete yoga set. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.